Hello grade 8! In this video, we will discuss the first type of factoring, which is common monomial factor. Let us have a short review in greatest common factor. Find the GCF of the numbers 12 and 15 using prime factorization. What are the prime factors of 12? 2, 2, 3. So when we multiply them, the product is 12. How about 15? 3 and 5. So 3 times 5, the product is 15. What is the common factor of 12 and 15? That is 3. Meron pa bang iba? Wala na. So therefore, the greatest common factor is 3. How about 8 and 24? First, get the prime factors of 8. 2, 2, 2. So when we multiply them again, that is 8. How about 24? 2, 2, 2, 3. Now, get the common factors. What are the common factors of 8 and 24? They are 2, 2, 2. Now, when we multiply them, that is our GCF. So greatest common factor is 8. Let us differentiate these two. In multiplying 3 quantity x plus 2, we simply distribute. 3 times x, that is 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. So we will get the product of 3x plus 6. Well, when you factor out 3x plus 6, that is 3 quantity x plus 2. This is the factor. Factoring out the greatest common factor is the reverse of multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, meaning factoring is the reverse process of multiplication. So let's try. Example 1 is 9 plus 15x. First, get the greatest common factor of 9 and 15x. What are the prime factors of 9? 3 and 3. How about 15x, 3, 5, and x. What is the common factor? 3. Meron pa bang iba? Wala na. Therefore, the greatest common factor is equal to 3. Since nakuha na ang greatest common factor, siya ang divisor ng each term. What are the terms? 9 and 15x. So, 9 divided by 3 or divided by 3 and 15x divided by 3. What are the quotients? 3 and 5x. Yung GCF, siya yung nasa labas ng parenthesis. Yung quotients na 3 and 5x, sila yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, we will get the form of 3 quantity 3 plus 5x. 3 is the greatest common monomial factor. 3 plus 5x is the quotient of the polynomial. And 3 quantity 3 plus 5x is what we call the factored form. Next, 24a plus 18b. First, get the greatest common factor of 24a and 18b. The factors are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times a. 18b is 2 times 3 times 3 times b. What are the common factors? They are 2 and 3. So when you multiply these two, the product is 6. Therefore, the greatest common factor is equal to 6. Again, this is the divisor of each term. 24a divided by 6 is equal to 4a. 18b divided by 6 is equal to 3b. Again, 6 nasa labas ng parenthesis kasi siya yung GCF natin. At yung 4a at 3b, siya yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Again, we will get this form 6 quantity 4a plus 3b. 6 is the greatest common monomial factor. 4a plus 3b is the quotient of the polynomial, and 6 quantity 4a plus 3b is the factored form of 24a plus 18b. Another example, 7xy minus 21x squared y. Nadagdagan ng variables. So what we are going to do? Again, we have the same process. The first thing that we are going to do is to find the greatest common monomial factor of the given expression. So find the greatest common factor of 7 and 21. That is 7. Then, find the GCF of x and x squared. In finding the GCF of the given variable, simply choose the smaller exponent between the two, and that is x. Obviously, the variable y is y. Therefore, the greatest common factor is equal to 7xy. Again, 7xy, this is the divisor of each term. So 7xy divided by 7xy is equal to 1, because any number or any variable divided by itself, the answer is 1. Negative 21 x squared y divided by 7xy is equal to negative 3x. As we can see, we have different signs. Therefore, the answer is negative. Yung GCF, siya yung nasa labas ng parenthesis. And then yung quotients, siya yung nasa loob ng parenthesis natin. So we will get the form of 7xy quantity 1 minus 3x. This is the factor form of 7xy minus 21x squared y. In our last example, we have three terms: 6x squared, negative 9x cubed, and positive 12x to the 5th power. First, get the greatest common factor. That is 3x squared. Since nakuha natin ang GCF, again, siya ang divisor ng each term. So 6x squared divided by 3x squared is equal to 2. Negative 9x cubed divided by 3x squared is equal to negative 3x. So as we can see, again, we have different signs. That's why the answer is negative. And 12x to the 5th power divided by 3x squared is equal to 4x cubed. 3x squared, nasa labas ng parenthesis. Yung 2, negative 3x, 4x cubed, nasa loob ng parenthesis. So the factor form or the factor of 6x squared minus 9x cubed plus 12x to the 5th power is 3x squared quantity 2 minus 3x plus 4x cubed.